Today I'm making my rolled stuffed chicken breast. First, peel and slice 1/2 purple onion. And snap the stem from the mushrooms and finely chop them. Now grate the carrots. And this is the stuffing. Carefully cut the chicken breast in half. Place the chicken between 2 pieces of plastic wrap and pound them flat. Sprinkle each breast with paprika, salt, and pepper. And then rub it in and repeat on the other side. Add the olive oil to the skillet over medium heat. Add the vegetables and saute for about 7 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. To the vegetables, add the yogurt, the crushed garlic, and the cheese. Mix well to combine. Add equal amounts of the mixture to each breast and spread it out evenly. Carefully roll each one up and place them in a baking pan. Sprinkle each one with cheese. Bake for 25 to 35 minutes on 350 degrees.